and welcome back to my channel DataCraft. In this video, we are continuing our exploration of Gmail label usage with another interesting question. So, as a reminder, we are looking with two tables, right? Which is email labels and which tells us about the labels themselves, and emails which links emails to their assigned labels, right? So today's question is, which label have more than 5 emails assigned to them? This helps us understand which labels are most actively used for organizing a significant number of emails, right? So let me read out the question that we have today to solve, which is, your team wants to know which labels had more than 5 emails assigned to them. Can you retrieve these? So we have two tables, email labels and emails. We'll use the data. If you have missed the first part of the video where we explored the data, you can hop into this playlist and watch the video. Okay, I'll be attaching the uh, playlist description in the end of the in the description part. All right, I'm so sorry that I'm bad with my words. I mean, like, I'm not able to convey it well, but I'm sure this SQL query will really help you out. So let's start solving the question by using this SQL query. All right, so here it goes. Select, enter. Then I'll break down this queries one by one, but let me just finish writing the SQL query over here to get the app results, which is email underscore id, close the parentheses. Okay, as from. So very easy query, learners. Well, I'll still break it down and I'll explain you how things working over here. Count, so greater than 5. We close it. Okay, so well, I have finished writing down my query and explain you how this works, right? So let's break down this query step by step. So here the select label id, count email id as number of emails. So with this we want to see that the label id, okay, and the number of emails is associated with each label or not, right? So we use the count function, like the count email underscore id is to count the emails and give this count a descriptive name as number of emails. Okay, then from emails we are getting our data from the email table. Okay, then the group by label underscore id. Well, this is crucial. You know why? Because here we group all the rows by the label id. This means that all the emails with the same label id will be grouped together. Okay, which will allow us to count them accurately for each label. Now, having count email underscore id which is greater than 5. So this is the key part for answering our question. Our question was, your team wants to know which label had more than 5 emails assigned to them. So can you retrieve this? So as I already told, this is a key part of answering our question. The having clause, it filters the result after the grouping. It only keeps the groups, that is the labels, where this count email underscore id which is greater than 5. Okay, so I hope you got my point. So let's run this query and check. Oh well, it's working. So here you can see that the label id and the number of emails. So this output, okay, tells us that the label id 4 has 10 6 emails, sorry, 10 emails assigned to it, whereas the label id 15 has like 6 emails, right? So by identifying these frequently used labels, we can gain the valuable insights into how users are organizing their emails. So we can take then explore what these labels represent. Example, like their project related specific senders or important categories. So and then potentially optimize the gmail's label features based on these usage patterns, right? So let's run this query and check if it's right or not. We will submit this query and it's evaluating here. Oh well, wow, that's correct. So we got our query right. That's amazing. Now, give me a second. Sorry, my battery was running low. So that's how we find the labels more than 5 emails, right? Assigned to them. So in the next video, we'll explore even more interesting questions about Gmail label usage. So viewers or learners, if this video helped you, so don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. Well, thanks for watching and keep looking for the third question that I'll be posting next. All right, bye bye.